Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can pin application to the taskbar in Windows 11. So I will show you one by one, step by step, okay, and I will also show you how we can pin shortcuts to the taskbar. Okay, so first let me show you the applications. So come to the search bar and search for that applications which you want to tag. So this is my application, or we have the more 4 application. So just select that app, right click on it and just click on pin to. We have already pinned it, so it is show unpinned. Let me, okay, here you can see this application Google browser 5. I can pin to the taskbar, so it is pinned. Okay, so you need to do just search for application, okay, and you can pin to taskbar like this. Okay, I just unpin it. And if you want to pin some shortcuts, like if you want to pin these shortcuts, this is my shortcuts application. If I right click on it, so there is no any option, it will be no it won't show the application to pin to the taskbar. Okay, so what you can do, just right click on it, go to the open file locations, so it will be show you the file location. Just right click on it, and here go to the more options, and here you can see the option called pin to taskbar. So it is pinned. Okay, I just unpin it, so I don't want it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.